Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Harry again, and today we'll be doing a quick install on my beautiful model here. So I'll start off using the Got2b spray, but this one is going to be surface Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is the final look after the hairstyling. So I did a bit of makeup for her to match the look. So yeah, if you want to know how, or you want to see how I did the makeup, just comment below and I'll give it to you back to back as always. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.